From Audi's design labs comes a statement of intent. Meet the Concept C, a two-seater electric sports car that previews the future of the four rings. With a satin titanium finish, monochrome elegance, and a silhouette recalling the brand's heritage, this isn't just a concept car, it's a vision for what comes next. Audi describes the Concept C as the first manifestation of its new design philosophy, radical simplicity. The front is dominated by a bold vertical frame and a new four-element lighting signature. Inside each headlight, you'll see four horizontal LED bars. The silhouette is low, wide, and muscular, 178 inches in length and 77.6 inches wide, making it larger than the outgoing TT and even its supercar sibling, the R8, in some dimensions. The rear is equally dramatic. The roof retracts and the back uses louvres instead of a traditional rear window. Everywhere you look, the body exudes tension, purity, and craftsmanship. According to Audi's design chief, the four guiding principles were clear, technical, intelligent, and emotional. Inside, the Concept C avoids the typical tech overload that many modern cars suffer. Instead, it embraces what Audi calls shy tech, controlling surfaces, hidden displays, and real metal controls for tactile feedback. The central 10.4-inch screen folds away when not needed. Controls on the steering wheel and door handles use anodized aluminum and deliver what Audi refers to as the Audi click. Seating materials include wool twill, yes, wool, instead of full leather, adding texture and a sense of craftsmanship. From behind the wheel, it feels both futuristic and grounded, an ideal blend for a luxury sports car in 2027 and beyond. While Audi hasn't revealed detailed powertrain specs for the Concept C, we know it's an all-electric two-seater, rear-wheel drive in this form, and likely sharing a platform with the upcoming electric car from Porsche, cousin to the 718. Audi states the production version will arrive around 2027, and though it's not officially branded as the next TT, it clearly slots between the old TT and the R8 in terms of positioning. From a luxury lifestyle and investment perspective, the Concept C represents more than just a car. It signals Audi's ambition to reclaim desirability and relevance. From an investment angle, future limited edition variants of a concept like this, first carryover production model, could appreciate. Early adopters, collectors, even speculators may be interested. Brand-wise, Audi is repositioning, fewer fluff features, stronger design identity, fewer options but more character. That resonates in markets like Switzerland, UAE, Singapore, where luxury buyers care about distinction and legacy. Of course, concept cars come with caveats. Audi has not disclosed full production specs, cost, or final weight. As with most concepts, some details may change. Also, while the design is bold and refreshing, some may find the vertical grille and slab sides divisive. But that may be the point. Boldness attracts attention, which matters for luxury branding. From a practical standpoint, being electric means charging infrastructure matters, especially for regions outside North America/Europe, and the luxury sports EV market is becoming crowded. Tesla Roadster, Porsche EVs, etc. So Audi will need to deliver driving engagement, emotional appeal, and exclusivity. The Audi Concept C isn't just a design exercise, it's a proclamation. A two-seater electric sports car that embodies Audi's future. For the enthusiast, the investor, the luxury seeker, this is a statement. If you're passionate about performance, design, and the next chapter of mobility, stay tuned. And for now, enjoy the journey. Subscribe for full review when production model drops.